Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2019 GMC Terrain and I will show you which fuse to check in case your power mirrors are not working. This video will apply to GMC Terrains made from 2018 all the way up to 2024. Okay, so the fuse I want to check will be located in a small fuse box which is located under the steering wheel in the passenger's cabin. Just behind this cover right here. Now to remove the cover you will have two black tabs, one here, one on the opposite side. You want to press them at the same time and leave the cover, pull the cover down. On the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram. And the fuse you want to check will be fuse number F19, which is a 7.5 amp fuse located right here. In case this fuse proves to be good, you'll have to dig a bit deeper and look towards the power mirror's switch or a possible wiring issue. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.